Welcome back. In this video, we are focusing on downloading and installing Visual Studio Code. So let's dive right in. Visual Studio Code, popularly called VS Code, is a code editor where you will spend a lot of your time writing code. To get started, head over to the Visual Studio Code website to download the code editor. That is code.visualstudio.com. Click on the download button for your operating system. VS Code is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. The website should automatically detect your OS, but if it doesn't, select the correct version manually. Once the download is complete, run the installer, follow the prompts to install VS Code on your system. The default installation options are suitable for most users. After the installation is complete, simply open Visual Studio Code. Feel free to explore its interface. You can customize the theme, install extensions, and configure settings to match your preference and workflow. But you don't have to worry about that for now. You get to learn more about that much later. In the next video, we will be installing Git. Make sure to watch the installation video specific to your operating system. See you there.